Yes, Ethan. So everything is okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's see here. Today we will learn about the Indian place value chart. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Indian place value chart. Right.
Yes, sir.
See here. The first thing is periods. Okay. And after that, the second thing is places. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See. Let me draw the table. So here there are two things. The first one is periods and the second one is places. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In Indian place value system, we learned there are four periods. Okay. They are ones,
Yes, sir.
thousands, lakhs, and crore. Under it, we will learn the places. Okay. So
Yes.
suppose this is the period of ones. Okay. This is the period of ones. Okay now.
Yes.
After this, the period of thousands. Okay, thousands. After this,
Yes.
we will learn the period of. Yes, tell me.
A period of lakhs.
Lakhs. Very good. है ना? Period of lakhs. Okay. And after that, the period of
Crore.
crore. Yes, crores. Okay. So in while we will write the periods, we will write ones. We will write the s at the end. Okay. Here we will write thousands, not
Yes.
thousand. It will be not thousand, it will be thousands. Here it will be
Yes.
lakhs, not lakh. Okay, we will add the s in the last. Okay, and here it
Yes,
will
sir.
be crores, not crore. Okay, now you can consider
Yes.
it as कि suppose we have four different houses. Okay, this is the house of ones, this is the house of thousand, this is the house of lakh, and this is the house of crore, right? as in
Yes, sir.
our as in our locality or in our neighbor, we have the we have many houses, right? And we generally know them, we remember them by their the people who are living by their titles, right? Houses of sinhas,
Yes, sir.
sinha's house, misra's house, है ना, gupta's house, like this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So similarly, suppose here there are four houses, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crore. In the house of ones, there is a total three rooms. Okay, you can remember it like this: कि there are three rooms in one's house. Okay, is it clear? The rooms
Yes,
are
sir.
generally named as ones. Okay, or it will be denoted by O. Okay, then tens, it will be denoted by T, then hundreds. Okay, hundreds, it will be denoted by H. Okay, so in the one's house, how many rooms are there? There are total three rooms. Okay,
3 rooms.
They are ones, tens, and hundreds. As like in our home, there are 2 rooms, 3 rooms, 4 rooms, right? One will be bedroom, one will be kitchen, drawing room, guest room, है ना? Study room, like
Yes.
this, washroom, है ना? So similarly here, suppose it is a house and there are 3 rooms in it. Okay. Similarly, in the house of thousand, how many it will be rooms? There are
2
total
rooms.
2 rooms, है ना? First
2
one will
rooms.
be thousands or thousand, okay, which will be
Yes,
denoted
sir.
by th, thousands, okay, thousand, okay, and the next one will be thousand, 10,000, ten
Yes, sir.
thousand, okay. So it will be denoted by t dot th. This first T for 10 and TH for
Yes.
1000, 10,000. Next one is lakh,
Yes.
which will be denoted by L, and after that it will be 10 lakh, है ना? 10
10 lakh.
lakh, which will be denoted by TL, okay? 10 lakh. Then in the house of crore there will
Yes.
be 2 room. There will be 2 room. The first room will be crore of crore, which will be denoted by C, and
And
the
10
second
crore.
room will be of 10 crore. Okay, so in this way you can
10
learn it,
crore.
TC, like this, TC, 10 crore. Okay, so did you get it? In this way, in this easy way, you can easily remember the Indian place value chart, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear or any doubt till here? First, please confirm me. Did you
No, sir. No,
understand
no.
the periods or places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand periods and places? है ना?
Yes,
The
sir.
period you can consider is it as house, and the places you can consider it as rooms, है ना? The rooms of a particular house, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in
Yes,
ones
sir.
it will be total 3 rooms, in thousands it will be total 2 rooms, and in lakh it will be total 2 rooms, and in crore similarly it will be total
Yes.
2 rooms. Okay. So now we will
Yes,
consider
sir.
a number. Let it be 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2. Okay. So now we have to
Okay.
place this number according to Indian place value. Okay, we have to write this number according to place value. So first we will write this number in the place value chart. After that we will learn how to write the figure of this number, figure value, and the words value. Okay, in words, how we will write this number in words according to Indian place value chart or system, and we learn how we will write this number in figure according to Indian place value system. Okay, but before
Yes,
that
sir.
we learn how to place this number in Indian place value chart. So whenever we will write any number in any chart, either it is Indian place value chart or international place value chart, we will start from which side, right hand side or the left hand side? Please tell me. This is the right side and this is the left side,
Sir,
right?
yes,
So
sir.
we will
Yes.
start
Right hand
from
side.
which side? Right hand side, है ना? So
Right hand.
always you have to keep in mind कि whenever you will write the given number in the given chart, okay, at that time you have to write the
Yes.
number from the right side. So as it is 2, right? So we in the right
Yes.
side it is 2, right? So here we will
Yes,
write
sir.
this 2 in the place of ones, in the place of ones. Okay,
Once.
after this we will write 3. Okay, so we will write it in the place of
Yes, sir.
tens. After this it is 9, so we will write it in the place of 100. Now you tell me this
Yes.
8, in which place we will write it? In the place of? In the place of?
Thousands.
1000. Very good. This 7 in the place of?
10,000.
10,000. Very good. After this 5
Lakhs
in which
place.
lakhs place. Very good. After this 6,
10 lakhs place.
10 lakh. Very good. This 3,
Crore.
crore. Very good. This 2,
10 crores place.
10 crore. Very good. है ना? And if there will be no number in the place of crore, 10 crore or lakh, okay, then at that time we will leave it. Okay, in the chart we will leave it just empty. Okay. So now let's see here how we will write. First of all, this was the method to write the given number in the place value chart. Okay, either it will be a Indian place value chart or international place value chart. Every time you have to start from the
Yes.
right side. Okay, and you have to go one by one to the left hand side. Okay, so this is the way how
Yes.
you will write the given number in the place value chart. Now we will know कि how to write this number in figure according to Indian place value system. Okay, so here as you can see 9 here 2 and 3 are in the period of crore, right? So here we will
Yes,
write
sir.
2 3 and then give the comma. Okay, otherwise you can also do it like this. See here how you will do it. You have to first write the all digits. Okay, 2 3
Yes.
6 5 7 8 9 3 2. Okay, now you have to give the comma. Okay, here I am writing in figure. In figure. Okay, so here you have to start from the right hand side. From which side? Right hand side, right?
Right hand side.
Now we will learn ki how we will give the comma. Okay, so in first we will give the comma after 3 digit. Can you please tell me why we'll give the comma after 3 digit? 1 2 3. It's mean we will give the
Because
comma
in
between 8 and 9. Yes, tell me.
sir, because one table has three.
Yes, very good. You are going correct. Yes, because as I told you, you have to consider this once as a house, right? And in this house, there
Yes.
are three rooms, ones, tens, and hundred. After hundred, we will jump to the another house, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this house, the house of 1000, we will see the two rooms, right? Room of 1000 and ten
Yes.
thousand. After this, we will go to the house of lakh. So that's why we will give the comma after 3 digit from the right hand side and then after 2 digit again after 2 digit.
Yes.
So this is the explanation why in Indian place value system we give the comma from right hand side after 3 digit and then 2 digit and then 2 digit like this. Okay, so this is the
Yes, sir.
reason. Is it clear now? Because these 3 digits will come in the periods of ones. These 2 digits will come in the periods of 1000. These 2 digits will come in the place in the period of lakh, and this 2 digit will come in the period of crore. Okay, so this is the
Yes,
reason to
sir.
give the comma after 3 digit, then 2 digit, and then 2 digit. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Just tell
No, sir.
me, is there any doubt? So this is the way to
No, sir.
write the given number in a figure way. Okay, in figure according to Indian place value system. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now we will
Yes,
learn
sir.
ki how to write the given number in words. Okay, now we will write it in words. Okay, so let's see here. As here this time we will start from the left hand side. We have to start reading from the left hand side. Okay. So as here, which
Yes,
digit
sir.
you can see in the first? It is 2. Which digit you can see here?
Sir, 2.
2, right? So here we have to go according to
2,
the
yes, sir.
periods. Okay, we have to go according to the periods, है ना? So as here you can see the
Yes,
2 and 3, it is written
yes.
in the period of crore, right?
Yes,
So we will read it togetherly. So it will become 23. Okay,
yes, sir.
23. And as it is in the period of crore, so here we will write crore. Okay, not crores. We will not write s. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. So here we will write 23 crore. And then as you can see, 6 and 5 is written in the period of lakh, right? So we will read it
Yes,
togetherly as 65, and then we have to write the period. Wait, 65, sorry, I've written
yes, sir.
50. Ah. And as they are in the period of in which period it is written?
Uh,
The period of lakh, है
sir,
ना? The
there
period
are
of
lakhs. Yes, sir.
lakh. So here we will write lakh, not lakhs. Okay, it will be lakh. So
Yes, sir.
65 lakh, and then see this 7 and 8. As you can see, the 7 and 8 is
Yes, sir.
togetherly in the place of 1000, right? So here we will
Yes, sir.
read it togetherly as 78.
78,000.
And yeah, it is in the place of sorry, period of 1000, right? So here we will write
Yes, sir.
78,000. Okay, and
Yes,
as
sir.
you can see, this is this 932. All these three digits are written in the period of ones, right?
Period
So
of
we will read
ones.
it
Yes,
togetherly. Okay, we will read togetherly. Is it
sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
So as here it is written in the places of ones, tens and hundreds. So it will be 900, and 3 is in tens and 2 is in ones. So we will read it togetherly 32. So here it will be 932. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
32. So this is the way to write the given number in a place value chart, after that in a figure, and after that in words. Is it clear? So did you understand the meaning of
Yes,
periods
sir.
and place? And after this, did you understand how
Yes,
we will
sir.
write the given number in periods? From which side we have to restart it?
Right
From
hand
which
side.
side? Right hand side. One by one, we placed each digits. Okay, from the right hand side, and we go to left hand side. While we will writing, then at that time, first we have to check according to which system we have to write. If we have to write it according to the Indian system, then we have to write from the right hand side after by giving the comma after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. And here I explain why we do like this. Okay, is it clear now? So any doubt
Yes, sir.
in it? After this,
No,
I
sir.
explain ki how we will write it in words. Okay, so I hope your all doubts has been cleared. So first of all, please
Yes,
give the
sir.
heading, draw the table, and after that do this example. Okay, then we will do the other examples. Okay, some more examples.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I
Is it
send a
clear?
picture? Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? First not, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please note down.
Done, sir.
So is there any doubt? Is there
No,
any
sir.
doubt?
No doubt.
Now you have to do for some examples. Okay, just wait a minute. See, the exercise 1B. Exercise 1B. Open your book.
Sir,
Exercise 1B, question number 1. Can you please read the question number 1?
write the following numbers in place value chart.
Yes, very good. है ना? So here the question is कि write the flowing numbers in place value chart. Here nothing is mentioned um, Indian place value chart or international place value chart. Nothing is mentioned now. So at this
Yes, sir.
time you have to consider it Indian place value chart. Okay. So whenever this type of question will come, at that time you have to consider it under Indian place value chart or Indian place value system. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever there is nothing written Indian place value or international, then at that time you have to go with the Indian place value. Okay.
Yes,
Or
sir.
whenever it will be written, then no problem, you have to do according to that. Okay. So
Yes,
here
sir.
you have to do for write the flowing numbers in Indian place value chart. Can you do it by yourself,
Yes, sir.
or do you want the explanation for first one?
No,
Or you
sir.
can do in the same way you have to do, है ना? You have to just do this part, only this part. Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
This one only. No need to write the below part, only this part you have to do. Okay, you have to draw the
Yes, sir.
charts, the places, periods, and write the numbers. Okay, that's all. So please do
Yes,
first.
sir.
First of the few things which you have to keep in mind कि first you have to write the question. Okay, so here you will write 4 8 3 7 4 9 5 1. One more point, as here the comma is given from the right hand side after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, right? So according to this
Yes,
you
sir.
can also understand that you have to write it in according to which system?
Indian system.
Indian system. Very good, है ना? So first you have to write the question. Okay, if as you are writing in your rough copy, right, or classwork now, so
Yes,
just
sir.
write it, no need to write the question. But when you will write it in the homework copy, you need to write the whole question. Okay, and in exam or test, at that time it will be no need to write the question. Okay, you can directly start it by giving the number just. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so for now, just give A, then 1, write the question, and after that give the arrow mark. Write here Indian place value chart. Okay, Indian place value chart. In each question you have to write it. Okay. Wait, sorry. In each question you have to write it. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
sentence, Indian place value chart, so that the teacher or the examiner can understand कि according to which chart you are going to write. Okay, or you have
Yes, sir.
written, or they can also understand whether your concept is clear or not. So please mention this line and then draw the charts. Okay, write each and every point, places, periods, है ना? Then write all places, then periods, and then write the number from the right hand sides. Okay, so please do it and
Yes,
send me
sir.
the photo. So yes, good, you have done it correctly, but please improve your handwriting, है ना? You have draw the table too large. Okay, please draw the table as much as you need. Okay, so according to that, and please try to do not repeat the mistakes. Okay, or do not make the mistake. And you forgot to write the period, the word period, this one, the word period. See here, I have written here na period and give the arrow, right? I have written places and give the arrow. So please mention these two words also and give the arrow. and as I draw the line, see here, this line, right?
Yes, sir.
To make the parts, है ना? So in this way, please follow
Yes,
these
sir.
things, okay? Now, so as a homework, you have to try this whole question, okay? And can you
Sir,
try
which
the
question?
this A, question A whole? There are total 8 different question in this part, na? So you have
Yes,
to
sir.
try all these 8 questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
Next is you have to write the flowing numbers in words, right?
Then,
You have to write the flowing numbers in words. The first is 68 lakh 39,201. Okay, so you have to
yes,
write
sir.
in word. Word means like this. Okay, you have to write
Sir,
it
should we
like
do
this.
all?
Okay, yeah,
Because,
you have to do what?
sir, do we have to do all?
All for which one, A or B?
B.
Yeah, in homework you have to do. If you can do before attending the next class, if you can complete all these tasks, then you can do, okay, so that we can complete our syllabus as soon as possible, है ना? Otherwise
Yes, sir.
it will take one more class na, so that's why. So you can do the B number question na by yourself. Can you please show me for the question 1, for the question 1?
Sir, what, sir?
Huh? B question 1. Can you can you show me for question 1? This one. Do it now and send me the
Do it
photo.
now.
Okay. Huh. You have to write this question in words. Okay. So please do it and send me the photo.
Yes, sir.
You have to, no need to draw the chart. No need to do any another thing. You have to just write in words. So it's too easy.
Yes,
Just
sir.
write it. I think it will take 2 minutes. है ना? Only.
Yes, sir.
So please do it. Yes, Ethan. So you have written it 68 lakh
Yes, sir.
39,201. है ना? Yeah, very
Yes, sir.
good. Okay. So you have to just first check according to Indian place value system. है ना?
Yes,
As
sir.
here it is, one is in the place of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, right? 10,000,
Yes, sir.
then lakh and 10 lakh, right? So it will be
Yes, sir.
68, it will be 68 lakh, है ना? Then 39,
Yes, sir.
39,200 in the tens, it is nothing, so it will be 201. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we have to write it like this, okay, as we did for this one, है ना? Like this,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
in this way, can you do the B, the question B full
Yes, sir.
till question 12? There are total 12 questions in B, right? B part, है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
this A and B, A part and the B part are homework for today. This C
Yes,
part,
sir.
if you can do, I think you can do it, right? In the C part, you have to just write the figure, है ना? In words, it is given, you have to write the figure, right? This
Yes, sir.
is the figure part, right? As we have done here. See here, Ethan. This is the
Yes,
figure
sir.
part. Okay. So you have to do it like this with the comma. Okay. Never forget to give the comma. If you will forget to give the comma, then the answer will be wrong. Okay. And you may lose
Yes.
the marks. Okay. So I
Yes, sir.
hope you will do as much question as you can do. Okay. Maximum number of questions you will do. So please try as much as you can do, so that in the next class we will start the next part. Okay, or
Yes,
if
sir.
there will be question left, then we have to do for first for those questions, then we can go to the next part, right? So in this
Yes, sir.
way it will take some times, है ना? But I want to save your
Yes, sir.
time, so that's why I am saying कि please do maximum number of questions before attending the next class. Okay, I
Yes,
hope you can also complete this full exercise. Okay, so please try if you can, and if you will, then we will start the next one, which is place value, है ना? Place value and face value. Okay,
Yes, sir.
So this is your homework. Please improve your handwriting
Yes,
and
sir.
keep all the race thing in your mind. So we will
Yes,
meet
sir.
tomorrow. For today, that's all. Thank you. Take care. If there will be any doubt, then please tell me. Is there any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, na? Okay, then
No,
please do it. We will continue tomorrow or we will meet tomorrow. Okay?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Take care. Good night.